Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Project. In this module, I want to have a look at how to create a resource pool. So first of all, I've got myself a blank project with no tasks. What I'm going to do is go down to the resource sheet and add two resources. So Bob and Bill. So they can both be on £10 an hour. Don't really need to fill this in for this example, but I will do. Now that's all I need to do. So you add your resources. It could be people. Remember, you've got 3 different types of resource that you can add. People and equipment. So this is an example of where you're always using the same team and the same equipment for all your projects, and you just want to dip into a pool of resources for each project. So every project just uses this list. So what I need to do now is save this list. So I'll just save this as pool. Now there's already one there that I'm just going to overwrite that one. Save. Yes. So I've saved the pool. Now I'm going to leave the pool open and create a new file, and I will call this project A. I'll just type project A as well so I know which one it is, and just do myself 2 tasks, task A and task B, and indent those 2 tasks. To go back to tasks, just indent those, and let's give them a duration like so. So I'll save this as project A. I've got it there, so I'll overwrite it again. Yes, and then I'll do project B. So another one, Control N for new. So calling this project B. Project B, 2 tasks again underneath. Task A, task B, and indent those 2. Give them duration like so, and then save this, Control S, as project B. Overwrite that one. Yes. So now if I go down to the bottom of the screen, I've got 3 projects, as you can see there. Project A, the pool still open, and project B. So if I go into project A to start with, click into project A. Now I want to allocate the resources from the pool. So what I do is I go to the resource tab, resource pool, share resources from, not own resources, from the pool, which needs to be open, and it is open. And you've got this option here that says pool takes precedence, or that option, share a task take precedence. So we're going to leave it on pool. And what you don't want to be doing is letting people add extra resources into a specific project. If you've set it up to use the pool is where all the resources should be listed. Click OK to that, and then if I go to assign resources, I will see those 2 people, Bill and Bob. So if I assign Bob to this first task, and if I assign Bill to the second task, everything's okay. Close that down. So that's great. If I go back down to the icon at the bottom, you can see the pool, and if I go to resources on the pool, they're okay. None of them are red. However, watch what happens when I go into project B and do exactly the same. If I go to resource pool, share resources, use the pool text precedence, use the resources from pool, OK. Then I assign resources. So again, I'm going to assign Bob to that top one. And as soon as I do that, you see it goes red, and I'll just complete this. I'll assign Bill to this second one, and he'll go red as well. Now if I close this down and hover over the icons at the bottom, if I go into the pool, they're both red in the pool. If I go into project A, they're both over allocated in project A as well. So whichever projects you've got open that are using the pool, if you pull somebody in and they go red, that should trigger in your head that that person's already allocated. Now somebody has to manage the pool and decide whether this project gets Bill and Bob, or the other project gets Bill and Bob, or you move these dates. Now just a word of warning, if your leveling options are on automatic, you will not get this over allocation, because as soon as there is a clash, this setting will move these dates on the second project that you allocate, so they'll just shift, so you'll look like everything's okay. But if you don't notice that, you can have your time scale moving and you're not aware of that. So just double check before you start this process that you've got this on manual update as opposed to automatic leveling. Otherwise that may cause problems. So just cancel that. So basically that was just a very quick overview of how you can use a pool to add resources to multiple projects. So hopefully that was okay for you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for your time.